Hey there, it's Michelle with another Chairside Chat. This one brought to you by PDT. So last month I showed you the Wingrove Titanium Implant Kit. It's a fantastic set of instruments that will help you manage hard deposits around your dental implants or your patient's dental implants. And many of us have probably run into an implant bridge or an implant supported denture, or maybe just a hard to reach single unit implant, and the normal implant scalers are just not going to access those hard to reach areas. Well, PDT came out with a new kit called the Pineyro Arch Kit. So the Pineyro Arch Kit allows all hygienists to treat a full fixed hybrid patient without removal of that prosthesis. It's the first instrument set of its kind, and it's designed for that implant debridement of those hard deposits on those fixed hybrids. And you can see that they are shaped differently, the curve of the instrument, and it does require a little bit of a different technique. Look at that guy. If you want to see this kit in action, head over to pdtdental.com and look for the Pineyro kit. There's so many. Like, you can really see how this would hug that implant. And I just want to say thanks to PDT for listening to us and manufacturing high quality products that kind of solve problems for us. Like, here's another one. Look at the difference in that. These things are notoriously difficult to manage, and these very specific instruments are fantastic for helping us manage those prosthetics that are difficult. But there are videos at pdtdental.com where you can see, I mean, just imagine, right? Like, those hybrids sometimes go up under the nose, like how that will get underneath there and be able to hug and almost walk it around the top of that hybrid. Same on the lower. And you can flip it and look, there's two different angles to these. So they've really thought about all of it for these fixed hybrid cases, is what a lot of us call them. And again, those implant supported bridges that are difficult, especially if they lost a lot of bone on those anterior bridges before they put lost a lot of bone and then they put the implants in there and had to make long abutments for them to work in that patient's mouth. So thank you to PDT again for listening to us, coming up with great kits like the Pineyro Arch Kit. And again, you can go to pdtdental.com to learn more. And thanks for following another Chairside Chat. Let us know if you have any questions.